In this video, the auditor is auditing in the manufacturing process. Watch the video to determine if the auditor is using effective auditing techniques.
Right, so IATF say that we've got to do another hour on the shop floor. So let's pick something random. What's that?
Right,
What's
this is a seat back for a sports car. The process is it gets moulded on the press, and because we've got known issues on it, the operator has to do a little bit of rework with a brush. When the parts come off the track, he has to just polish a spot.
Sorry, my phone. I've got to get through. Hello. Yeah, I'm here still. Yeah, it's going to be at least another hour. Yeah. All right then. Okay, bye. Sorry, carry on.
Well, we packed 7 in a box, so it's quite a fast-moving part. So we have to be careful, make sure that we get the labels on in time and stuff. And the biggest problem we have with this is maintaining the package flow from empties. Anything else you need to know?
No, we're just trying to fill some time in because IATF requires it, that's all. Okay.
Let's summarise. Whether an audit is internal, at a supplier, or been undertaken by a third-party auditor, the attitude of the auditor is of utmost importance. In this audit, it is apparent the auditor is just going through the motions and is clearly not interested or paying any attention to what the auditee is saying. The audit lacked any focus, and it allowed the auditee to select the product or the machine to audit. To make things worse, the auditor was interrupted by the auditor having to take phone calls, again without any effective communication with the relevant auditee. Let's summarise the key learning points. The attitude of an auditor is as important, if not more important, than their technical competency. An auditor must demonstrate an interest while minimising distractions when interfacing with auditees. An auditor should always focus on the areas of the highest risk in a process using internal and external performance data, and not let the auditee select the products that they have to audit. ISO 19011, as well as the IATF Auditor Guide, give good guidance on the competencies to be an effective auditor.